welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. Today's tutorial is going to be on this makeup look. I tried to incorporate my hair, but to be real, if I was wearing this look and this dress for Valentine's Day, I probably wouldn't wear my hair down. My hair would probably be pulled back in like a really sleek ponytail or something like that. That's just kind of like my go-to, because I like to show my neck and my décolleté and stuff like that. But this is what we came up with for today. I might put how I curled it in there, but probably not. Don't count on it. Just be honest. So today's look, I got this dress from Fashion Nova last year. They still have it on their website. And I think right now they have like 40% off or something. They always have some type of sale. This is what the dress looks like. It has like, I really don't want to call it like a fishtail at the bottom, but it kind of reminds me of a salsa dress, like if you're going to go salsa dancing or something like that. Spaghetti strap, the front. There's a zipper on the side. And it's kind of like a chamois polyester type slip type fabric, but this is what it looks like. I really like it. I have not worn this dress yet. I literally just took the tags off of it just for this video. This is the look that I put together for you guys. I'm really feeling this pink eye. I feel like you can wear this eye with any dress and it just suits everybody, every skin tone. So yeah, this is the look that I came up with. If you guys are interested on how I got this look, then continue watching.
So we're going to start off with the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm going to take this brown on a MAC 217 brush and apply that into the outer V, lower lash line, crease area, and really just blend that out. And then going in with the MAC 239 brush and using this motif type color. It's very pale pink but kind of iridescent, and apply that on the lid. Then I'm going to go in with the Morphe M321 brush and create a wing and bringing that into the crease using this really nice brown shade. This is more of like a reddish brown, but it's still kind of deep. And I'm just going to blend that out and move that forward onto the crease so we have a good transition, and blend it out further using the MAC 217. This is hands down my all-time favorite versatile brush. Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe felt tip liquid liner, and I'm just going to create a very thin line on my lash line, and then going in with the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara, just so my false lashes and my real lashes can marry really well. These are the Ardell Wispies. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe concealer. I'm using two shades. I'm using one that's a little bit more on the orangey side. I believe this is shade C435, and just blended that out. I also put that in the corners of my mouth because I liked my mouth to look a little bit more pouty. And I'm just going to blend this out really good. You have to work fairly quickly with this concealer because it dries, and when it dries, it's a bitch to blend, okay? So I'm going to go in with C335, I think. I'll put the colors down below, boo, because I really don't remember right now. And I'm just applying this to the high points of my face, underneath my eyes, on the top of my lip, my chin, between my eyebrows, and down the bridge of my nose. And I just want my contour to be a little bit more snatched. So I'm going to go underneath the contour and really blend that out. Like I said, guys, make sure you do this quickly. Even if you have to apply and then blend, do that. So using the Cover FX custom cover drops in the shade N100. I've had mine forever, girl, so mine is kind of thick and I like it to use it for liquid bronzer. And then I'm going to set underneath my eyes using two shades of the Maybelline Fit Me loose powders. I'm using the shade 35 and the shade 30 because 35 is too neutral and 30 is too light, but mixed together it's perfect for my skin tone. So I'm going to set everywhere that I place the concealer. And I'm gonna go in with a small angle brush and just cut out the inner tear ducts and bronze in my face using the best bronzers ever in my opinion, the Anastasia bronzers in the shade Saddle and Mahogany. I like to mix them together. So I'm using this Morphe brush. This is a new brush for me. This is the E8, very similar to the MAC 109 brush. And then I'm going in with the Filter Effects powder in the shade Filter 7 and setting and dusting away the Maybelline powder. Here I'm lining my lips with NYX's Espresso lip liner, and then I'm going to pop on this Pop Beauty liquid lipstick in Razzle Rose. This is so pretty. I love it. Love, love, love. Here I'm using Tarte's blush, and this is Partey. And this is Flawless by Black Radiance, and just filling in my brows. And that's the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you like tutorials like this, let me know and I'll be sure to create more of them. If you have any requests, leave them down below as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.